Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Dahi Kabab, that is curd or yogurt kebabs or patties. Kebabs are staple in Mughlai and Indian cuisine. These kebabs are usually prepared using mincemeats or vegetables, but we are making here very delicious and soft kebabs with yogurt. First of all, let's prepare filling for these stuffed kebabs. Chop about 2 tablespoon nuts of choice. We are using blanched and peeled almonds, cashews, and walnuts. You may use any other also like pecans or peanuts. Chop all nuts into tiny chunks, then place in a bowl. Add 1½ or 2 tablespoon mashed or grated paneer, that is drained and pressed cottage cheese, into nuts bowl. Also season nuts mixture with a pinch or to taste of ground black pepper. Pinch or to taste of salt. Also add a ½ teaspoon mixture of chopped fresh cilantro or green coriander and finely chopped fresh green chili. Adding green chili is absolutely optional and you may omit it. Mix well and keep aside for a while. Now add in hung curd. We had tied 250 gram yogurt in a muslin cloth and hung it for 3 hours to drain off the water or whey out of it. Add 1 heaping teaspoon of bhune chini ka aataa, that is ground roasted chickpeas powder or flour. We will add more if required later. Season hung curd mixture with a pinch or to taste of salt, a pinch or to taste of pisi daal chini, that is ground cinnamon powder, a pinch or to taste of pisi elaichee, that is ground cardamom powder, and a pinch or to taste of ground black pepper. Mix well and add more ground roasted chickpeas flour. Now if the consistency of hung curd mixture is too loose to bind, mix until the mixture is smooth. Now grease your hands with cooking oil and pick about a tablespoonful of yogurt mixture in your 1 palm. Roll very gently to shape it into a ball and create a small dent or pit on top of ball in center. Place about a large pinch of prepared nuts filling into pit and cover it with curd mixture. Roll again very gently to seal the filling and very gently flatten it a bit, then place the rolled curd patty over maida, that is all-purpose flour, placed on a wide plate. Very gently dredge and roll patties so as to coat evenly with flour on all sides. Then place flour-coated patty or kebab on a clean plate. Prepare more kebabs in the same manner with remaining yogurt mixture and filling. An easy way to stuff filling into yogurt patty is to place filling in dent and cover it with a little extra yogurt mixture to seal in. Stuff all kebabs with nutty cottage cheese filling and refrigerate flour-coated kebabs until serving time. It will help you shallow fry patties quickly when required to serve. Grease your tawa or griddle or any non-stick flat frying pan with 2 tablespoon cooking oil or ghee over medium heat just 15 minutes before serving time. Remove flour-coated stuffed patties from refrigerator and place carefully in gently overheated greased tawa. Shallow fry them and add more oil or ghee if required. Shallow fry while turning sides with a flat spatula. Fry until golden on both sides, then drain shallow fried kebabs or patties onto paper towel or tissue-lined plate. Delicious Dahi Kababs, that is yogurt kebabs or patties, are ready. Serve warm accompanied with Choicest dip or chutney and enjoy. We hope that you liked the recipe. Please write your views in comments column below for sure. Your feedback is really valuable for us. Thanks.